I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering everything you need and importing it into Clipchamp now. Once your clips are in, set the project resolution and FPS so output stays consistent. This prevents re-rendering later. Next, drag the main clip to track 1 and stack any overlays, cutaways, or logos to additional tracks. Make rough trims to remove dead space, because clean timing makes blending seamless. Finally, zoom the timeline to 1/4 or 1/8 view to work precisely on the edits. Now you apply blending methods that create continuity. Start with a crossfade between two clips, drag the dissolve and adjust its duration to control feel, longer equals softer blend. For overlays, reduce opacity to 50–80% and align motion or subject position because matching movement sells the composite. If you have a cutaway, feather the edges or add a slight drop shadow to hide seams. Make micro adjustments, one-frame nudges or sub-second trims, to sync action. To finish, render a short 10–15-second export of the blended section so you can evaluate color, motion, and audio in full quality. Low-res previews can be misleading. Make subtle color corrections to match exposure and white balance between shots, and add a final audio crossfade to smooth sound. If you see jitter, ghosting, or hard seams, increase the transition duration or retrim overlaps. Alternatively, adjust opacity slightly or move the cut by 1 frame. This usually fixes common artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.